How important green values are for the property owners?
The green value is just an emerging topic. We have only few studies showing, especially in US or in Australia or in UK, I think there is also one in Holland, showing that there is a green value added if the building is certified or if the building is good in terms of energy. What I could add today is with this green value we also have an impact on the faster obsolescence of a building. It means that some buildings that are not at the right level in a market, we have a price decreasing because it doesn't fit the right energy performance and the right indoor environmental indicators. So there is two green value. One is the added and one is the obsolescence.
For the property owners, it is important to perform a responsible management, and that includes protecting the money that's invested in the properties, protecting that money against future risks and uncertainty of changing legislation and things like that. Environmental issues are very important in the longer term, and in the very short term it's still economy, which is in the core of anybody's interest. So it is more about a good balance of economic, environmental and social issues than just on simplifying sustainability on a special issue like energy or green. It's more about a responsible management that includes a good balance of all the three issues.
There are many kind of indicators for green building. How can you compare them?
Even if I have 1,000 system of metrics and rating and whatever, it's all based on the same physical indicators which are based on the building. A building is the same everywhere in the world, and we have at the basis the same indicators. So we have to work on the same methodology of calculation for these basic indicators, or a way to translate it into a way that we can use in our valuation methodology.
There is some kind of common database for them all.
Exactly. The point is to have a transparency of how it was calculated, and then I can have a database where each stakeholders, as it is the facility manager, the man in charge of the maintenance, or the valuers, or the investor, can pick up the indicators and the information to manage the information in need.
There is one global issue. It's called the Global Reporting Initiative. And the majority of responsible companies who are reporting to their stakeholders, they use that standard of the Global Reporting Initiative. We follow that reporting standard and use these indicators there to measure the performance of individual buildings in exactly the same way, so that the results are consistent from buildings through portfolios to companies, the whole research study.